back at Bellen's garden, and we're looking at the cucumber plants, and they've grown quite a lot. Not sure how long it's been. I guess it's been 2 weeks, and they're growing up on this trellis, and some of them are doing better than others. Some of them are pretty small. This one here is tiny, but the big thing I'm here to show you is we have some actual cucumbers growing, and that's very good news. That's very good news. Anyway, we have a lot of other stuff growing around here. I think this is lemongrass. I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, that's lemongrass. Tastes like lemon. I'm actually gonna eat one of these little bitty cucumbers just to see what happens. Very crunchy. It does taste like a cucumber. So once these get to be 3 or 4 inches long, I guess we'll pick some and I'll start making pickles. I'm not going to wait until they get to be too big, although these are pickling cucumbers and they really shouldn't get to be all that big. But even if they're pickling cucumbers, if you leave them too long, I think they will get to be big. So anyway, I'm happy because it looks like we have, I don't know how many, but I'd say maybe at least 100 little baby cucumbers growing right now. It always amazes me what Filipinos will make. They don't run down to the dollar store or Home Depot. Like, this is a some kind of dustpan, homemade. No, they'll make it. They don't necessarily buy it. I think it's interesting. They're very resourceful. Very resourceful people. They don't sit around and wait for somebody to do something for them. They do it themselves. If they don't have the money to buy something, they make it themselves if they can. If there was an economic collapse worldwide, I bet in some ways it'd hardly even be noticed over here by these people. Belen tells me this is going to be a flower. A money maker flower. I'm not sure if that's a superstition or if it's just some kind of colorful name. Not sure what's going on here. I am pretty sure I don't really want to know. Lanzones in that tree. So, but that's kind of high up there. It'd be high for somebody to climb unless they were like a kid. When I was a kid, I would have gone up there. But nowadays, not so much. Okay, fat dog. How come you're fat?
It's sardines.
What are you eating?
Sardines.
What makes you so fat?
You like it?
Huh?
Sardines. Sardines with meat and
I don't. You not. Do you feed that dog sardines?
yeah. Sardines with salt dayon. Then add plenty of water. That's why.
You're a fat dog. You know, over here in the Philippines, people a lot of people let their chickens mostly run loose. And, you know, dogs and cats pretty much don't chase them. Here's a dog that's laying here, doesn't even take notice. In the USA, I think that dogs would be chasing these chickens. I'm not sure if that's a native chicken or not. Could be. Because chickens are native to the Philippines.